gonna check out this villa from D.R. Horton. If you're wondering what a villa is usually when two homes are attached. So it's kind of like a townhouse, but only two of them are attached. So is this open, I guess? Very nice, very nice. It smells good in here too. It kind of smells like pumpkin. I wonder if somebody was cooking in here. Or baking. Like that cinnamon pumpkin smell. So basically what I'm trying to say is that it kind of smells like Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's a nice sized closet. And here is your bathroom. So this looks like a master bathroom to me. Good sized shower, and there's got like that seat ledge thing going on over there where the plant is. Got a walk-in closet. This is an excellent kitchen. I really appreciate this island. Really nice. Yeah, look at that. Just fantastic. Lots of countertop space. And a pretty standard pantry. But a good one at that. Garage. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so this is a perfect example of why I do the foot test. You could see, like, this is the bare minimum. Like, my foot is, there's like no space. So maybe you could see that. Yeah, so that's just the bare minimum. So you can see there's no real space to open up your car door. And also your HVAC unit is out here in the garage with your hot water heater. Which, you know, it's good. And I'm guessing laundry? Yes, laundry. I was guessing laundry because usually in townhomes they, you know, put it in something like this. And we already saw the pantry, so that ruled out a pantry for that. And another full bathroom. And the final bedroom. So what do I think about this? I think that if you're in the market for a townhouse, this might be a much better choice because you're only going to have neighbors on one side. So your neighbors are going to be sharing this wall with you. And what's great about it too is that, for example, this bedroom shares the wall with the garage. So maybe if your neighbors are a little bit noisy, you know, you sleep in here. You have some space. And it's also better because you don't have neighbors on each side. But of course, you could also purchase a townhouse, and you could purchase the end unit as well. So, whereas the master bedroom is probably going to share the wall with the neighbors. Let's go outside and take a look at the front of this house, because I know that we just walked in the side. The Siesta, 1,565 square feet. Let's go walk to the front. Yep. So that's what it looks like. That's your villa. So you can see there's some spacing. Nice house. I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please check out my website at richnotohomes.com. I hope everyone has a great day. I look forward to hearing from you and representing you in your home purchase or sale. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is these salespeople, these sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me. They've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.